I'm Ed Johnson, and I'm a repeat customer of Fence and Deck. They've done several projects for us. This project was a major rebuild of the back of the deck to the house. We replaced everything basically in kind to a previous deck that had failed. We have over 2,600 square feet of decking and a complete new pool arrangement. And it has just been a wonderful thing that we've enjoyed so much this summer. It was incredible how well they all worked together, the work they did, the professionalism they exhibited, and the craftsmanship they exhibited. They've done work for me in other locations, and it's always been the same. They're here when they say they'll be here. They do what they say they're going to do and more. They never missed a single day except for one day when it rained so much nobody could be here. It's just been a wonderful experience working with Fence and Deck, and we've done this for 15 years on various projects.
To book a free on-site estimate for your fence or deck project, give us a call at 410-757-5511 or visit us at fenceanddeckconnection.com.